Hey Tom, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. However, I have some questions about pronunciation because I found some words or some sentences that are actually very similar, and I'm not sure if my pronunciations is correct or not. Right, so can you help me with my pronunciation?
Sure.
All right. So one, two, and three. Can you say them? Can you read them? And then I will repeat after you to see if
Sure.
I am right or wrong.
Okay.
All right.
Number one,
Mhm.
I can tell.
I can't tell. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay.
Number two, I can't tell.
I can't tell.
Good.
All right.
Three, I don't know how to tell the difference.
I don't know how to tell the difference.
Okay, good.
All right. And by the way, number two and number three, I can't tell, and I don't know how to tell the difference. Do they mean the same thing in this context?
They could, but not always. If someone were to say, like for instance, if you were to ask someone something, like you were to say, can you tell me your secret? You say, I can't tell. In that context, it would be different from saying, I can't tell the difference.
Oh, okay. All right, got it. Okay, and next one.
Hmm.
Um, those four words sounds very similar to non-native speakers like me. So can you read from number one to number four, and I'll repeat after you.
Sure.
Okay.
Number one, word.
Word.
Good.
Okay, thank you.
Number two, world.
World.
Good.
Okay, thank you.
Number three, wall.
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 Wall. Am I right? Wall.
Almost.
Can you say that again?
Wall.
Wall. Wall.
Good.
Oh, hey, let me try it again. Wall.
Good.
Oh, hey, how about this way? Wall. No. Oh, so it's like
Mm,
the. Yeah, we go.
it seems like you're. I mean, I can hear the L sound a little bit, but it seems like you're trailing off near the end. So
I did it.
it's
I well the last time I did it on purpose because you. I remember you told me to when I have to pronounce the L sound, my tongue have to touch the upper teeth. Is that right?
correct.
Okay, I didn't do it, so let me try it again. Wall.
Good.
Okay. To be honest, I can't tell the difference if um, I can't tell the difference between the one that I put my tongue on the upper teeth and the one that I do not use my tongue to touch the upper teeth. Oh my god, such a
Mhm.
subtle difference. Okay, but I know how to pronounce it now. Thank you.
Number four, war.
War.
Good.
Okay. So can you read the sentence for me, and I'll repeat after you.
Sure. In a world torn apart by war, the word peace echoed against the wall of violence.
In a world torn apart by war, the word peace echoed against the wall of violence. Violence.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, did I say the wall uh, correctly the first time? The wall of violence.
Correct.
Okay. All right. So the tongue is actually very important. It's very important to you. It's very important when I say the word wall. I have to make sure my tongue touches the upper teeth.
Correct.
Otherwise, it's not a right way to pronounce the word wall. Okay. Got it. Such a
All right.
subtle difference. Okay, very important. Okay, and the last 4 words.
Okay.
Okay, can you read from number 1 to number 4, and then I'll repeat after you.
Sure.
Okay.
Number 1, throat.
Throat. Am I right?
One more time. Good.
Okay.
2, throw.
I'm sorry. Okay. Number 2, throw.
Good.
Okay.
Number 3, throne.
Thrown. Thrown. Thrown.
Throne.
Thrown.
Little off.
Okay.
All right.
Throw. Let me try it again. Throw.
Just say number 2 and then the word with an N sound. So throw and then N, then go into an N sound. So throne. There you go.
Thrown. I can say it slowly, but if you want me, but when I say it with a normal speed, I'm not sure if I'm right. Let me try it again. Thrown.
Good.
Okay. Thrown.
Good.
It's a little like I have to suck my tongue when saying the th sound. Thrown.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have to like suck the tongue inside your mouth?
I had to pull it back. Yes, I had to pull it back.
Oh, you have to pull it back. Oh, okay. All right. Then, and if that's the case, I know. Oh, pull it back. All right. Okay, number 4.
All right, number 4, thorn.
Thorn.
Good.
Okay. Hey, so for number 4, do you feel you have to pour back your tongue? Thorn.
Not really.
Not really, right? Okay. Now I know. Now I know. Okay, number 3. Let me try it again. Thrown.
And once more.
Thorn.
Good.
Okay. Thorn. Is it correct?
A little off, but
bit off.
it's acceptable.
Acceptable. Oh, okay. Number 2, throw. When I say throw, it's always right. Is that right?
Right.
Throw.
Right.
Throw.
Mm-hmm.
Thrown. Number 3. Thrown.
Good.
Number
Good.
3. Thrown.
Good.
Throw. Number 2. Throw.
Good.
Throw.
Good.
Number 3. Thrown.
Good.
Oh, okay. So I found out when I say number 2, I have to stress and pull my tongue back. And number 3, I also have to stress and pull my tongue back. But number 4, not really. Okay.
Right.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, could you read the sentence for me? And I'll repeat after you.
Sure. As the king sat upon his throne, he felt the sharp prick of a thorn hidden in its velvet cushion.
Okay. As the king sat upon his throne, he felt the sharp prick of a thorn hidden in its velvet cushion.
Okay, good.
All right. Thank you so much for helping with my pronunciation. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay. And thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.